Welcome to the kitchen. Today I've got a super simple Halloween recipe for you. They're dead easy and dead delicious. My spooky cookies. I've got some light brown sugar and some golden caster sugar, Bosch, and some softened butter. Oh, I've left a little bit on my plate. I don't want that, do I? There we go. So just bring them together until they're just combined. You don't need to cream them until they're fluffy like a sponge, but just kind of like bring it all together. So you could just do this with a wooden spoon. It's quite an easy recipe. I'm gonna add a touch of vanilla extract. Oh, I've spilt it all over the place. Now I'm gonna add 1 egg. Hello! Look, it's a little bloke. I'm just gonna crack that into the bowl first, just so I don't get any shell in my mixture. Plop that into your butter and sugar. Smells incredible. This is such a lovely recipe because you've got the lovely caramelised flavour, the brown sugar, vanilla, the deep chocolatiness, and the texture of these is just really squishy. Right, that's all done. Got some self-raising flour, some cocoa powder, and a bit of sea salt there. Just give it a little bit of a combine before I chuck it in. Just plonk it all in one go. Another gentle mix. Obviously, these are really lovely chocolatey biscuit, well, chocolatey cookie dough. So I'm going to add even more chocolate to that, and I've got some dark chocolate chips. You could use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, whatever you like. Just going to chuck those into the dough. Done. That's it. Simple as that. And that's a really nice sticky dough. Next thing to do is make it into balls. So I do recommend getting a bowl of water, just keeping your hands a bit damp so it doesn't sort of stick to you and get a real mess. Right, so just dampen your hands, just grab a clonk. About the size of, what would we say? Would we say it's about a golf ball? Maybe it's a bit smaller than a golf ball. You can make many size you like really, because they'll obviously take a bit longer to bake if they're bigger. You can make mini ones. There we go, baker's dozen. So now pop them in the fridge. I'm just going to chill mine down. Or at this point, once they're chilled, you can just put them into a food bag and put them in the freezer. So then you've got cookies on tap. I mean, what's not to like about that? My balls are all nice and chilled, and I've just put them 6 and 6 on the tray because they are going to spread when they bake. So let's pop them in. Oh, lovely sparkling oven that I didn't clean. Alexa, set timer 8 minutes. So halfway through the bake, I like to just do a little bit of a gentle tap on the surface, which just kind of spreads them out a bit. A few more minutes and they'll be ready. Oh wow, look at them. Look at them. Oh, so delicious. It's time to get spooky.
I don't think that catchphrase is catchable.
You don't think so? I'm going to make these into monsters. I've got some little sugar googly eyes and some Halloween colour chocolates. So when the cookies are hot, you need to press this in so they'll kind of like squish in without breaking. I'm just going to do some random styles. So we've got all sorts of different monsters. It's actually really satisfying pressing these in. I think they're pretty much done, do you? Hang on, this one needs a couple more. Let them just cool down on the tray for a few minutes once you've put the eyes and the chocolates on, and then you can lift them onto a rack to cool. But it is lovely to eat them when they're warm because they're all gooey and delicious. So there you have it, super simple, delicious, spooky cookies. They're still warm, I've got to have a taste. Look at that. Oh, they're so good. Sorry for the eating noise. Everything you need to make these is just down there. Let me know what you think.